question is, I want to get on Zad Academy, but the problem is I don't know Arabic fluently. So how could I learn Arabic in the best way possible and fluently?
Dean from the UK, his first question, how to perfect the language, the Arabic language. Arabic, like any other language, it depends on a number of factors. Number one, your interest in it. And this constitutes the vast majority of the problem. If you have a strong interest in a language, you can pick it up easily. If you're not motivated, if you're being pushed by your parents or your teacher to study it while you don't like it, then it is going to be a difficult task. So if you have the motivation and you have the interest in it, this maybe is 70% of the difficulty is gone. After that, you have to learn a lot of the vocabulary. So a lot of the time people make the common mistakes of focusing on grammar, which is good, but it is not the language. So if I know that the subject has to come in the beginning, and then the verb, and then the object, this wouldn't help me if I go to a restaurant and tell them this rule of grammar. If I don't know how to say chicken soup, I'm gonna starve. Or at least I have to behave and act like a chicken so that they would understand. So vocabulary is very important. And this comes by listening and reading. So when you read a lot of Arabic and you try to know the roots of these words, where are they stemmed from, and you listen and you hear it being spoken, especially if you relate this to the Quran and to the Sunnah, this becomes much easier. But there isn't any easy way of doing it. Sometimes you may need to read a lot of newspapers. So that, okay, if you read the English newspapers, you know what had happened in Minnesota a couple of days ago, and then you read the Arabic newspaper and you read the same article, you can compare and relate the Arabic words to the English words, and this is how you improve your vocabulary, but it will take some time.